Hi friends! Today I'm going to decorate the house for Halloween. I usually keep seasonal decorating simple and based on things we'd find in nature, such as bats and spiders and bones. All my decorations are from the dollar store, Target's Dollar Spot, or I've made it myself. I start by going through our fall decorating box and I'm sorting it into what I will use and what I won't use. And here is what I will use. Now in our entryway, I draped the black cheesecloth over the mirror and over the flowers. And this is a simple skull cut out of construction paper, and we've had it for years, and I just simply tape it to the mirror. And here's a fake skull on the coffee table. And a crow will also go in the flowers here. And then on the sofa table is a fake spider in the flowers and another crow. On the side table, I'm going to place another skull under this dome, and placing it under the dome makes it like a scientific specimen, which can be extra scary for some people. And inside the lampshade I'm taping a fake spider, a little plastic spider, and then when the lamp is turned on you can see its silhouette. Here are a few bats cut out of construction paper, and we tape those inside the front window so we can see their silhouette at night and during the day. And that is all the decor for the living room. It's quick and easy and still adds a little creepiness. Moving into the family room is this crow, and he has wires on his feet, so I'm sticking him into this tall book. I am also going to add some Halloween children's books to the mantle. And this is this cheesecloth banner, and I made it a few years ago. It says spooky. In the kitchen is a free Halloween printable, or a fall printable in a frame, and I'll link below to the website for that printable. It stays up September through November. And here's a plastic thrift store jack-o'-lantern that I made over a few years ago. I keep it on the corner of the kitchen counter. All right, moving out to the front porch, I'm adding a crow to the fall wreath. Very easy. And a little fake rat on one side of the door and another crow on the other side of the door. And then here up above, I'm using a little duct tape to attach this jack-o'-lantern banner. And here is the finished front step. Okay, this is a large glow-in-the-dark eyeball, and it has twine taped to the back. We hang it on our tree. It looks like a fuzzy, furry monster. Okay, and here is a fake spider web tied onto the lamppost. And that does it for the front yard. Again, simple but big enough impact and color and fun to add a little scariness to the house. And here's one last look at the spaces inside. And if you have a Halloween decorating video, please share it in the comments section. I would love to see how you decorate your house for Halloween. And here I am trying to have a spooky look on my face. Thanks, and see you next time.